All right, I got this Nuanshu Foley Catheter holder. It's a 4-pack, so there's 3 in here. We've also got this one right here that I've already taken out. So it's got this nice, on the inside right here, if you can see this nice anti-slip vibe, you see the little squiggles going around. It's got there's a grippiness to it that's going to grip to your leg, but it's also very comfortable. It's got an elastic vibe, as well as it's got this Velcro right here. So what you can do is you can adjust the width of it right here with this Velcro right here, depending on how wide your leg is. And from here, basically what you're going to do is this is going to be wrapped around your leg, and the catheter is going to go right in here, and this is going to come through this little vibe right here, and it's going to basically hold onto the catheter like so. And this is going to be around your leg, and you're good to go. So all in all, great. It's also very easy to clean, and you got 4 of them. So when you're cleaning the others, you got 3 more. So amazing. Highly recommend.